Welcome to Easy Talk English channel.
Hi guys, welcome back. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Yeah, thank you so much for watching and learning English with us. My name is John.
And I'm Emma. Nice to meet you all.
So, Emma, how's your morning going?
Pretty good. I woke up a little early today. I made some coffee and I was just thinking about going to the market.
Oh, really? The market? That's a great topic.
Yeah, I love going to the market. It's simple, but also kind of fun.
I agree. There's something special about it. So today, we're going to talk about going to the market.
Yes, and we'll use very simple English so you can follow easily.
So, Emma, when was the last time you went to the market?
Let me think. I think it was yesterday morning.
Yesterday. Wow, that's recent.
Yeah, I go pretty often, maybe 3 or 4 times a week.
That's a lot. What do you usually buy?
Mostly vegetables, fruits, and sometimes bread. Oh, and eggs too.
Nice. Healthy food.
I try. What about you? When do you go to the market?
Honestly, not that often. Maybe once a week.
Only once?
Yeah, I'm a little lazy.
That's okay. At least you still go.
So, when you go to the market, what's the first thing you do?
First, I usually grab a basket. Then I walk around slowly.
You don't go fast?
No, not really. I like to look at everything.
That sounds relaxing.
It is. I like to see the fresh vegetables. They look so colorful.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Green, red, yellow.
Exactly. It makes me feel happy.
Do you talk to the sellers?
Yes, sometimes, if they are friendly.
What do you say?
I usually say, "Hi, how much is this?" Or, "Is this fresh?"
Simple and useful sentences.
Yes, very simple. Good for English learners too.
That's true.
Sometimes the sellers smile and talk a little.
Oh, really?
Yeah, one time a seller told me, "This is very sweet. You should try it."
That's nice. Did you buy it?
Yes, and it was really sweet.
That's great. For me, I usually go with a list.
A list?
Yeah, I write down what I need before I go.
That's smart.
Because if I don't, I forget things.
That happens to me too.
And sometimes I buy things I don't need.
Oh, yes, that's dangerous.
So, do you like big markets or small markets?
I think I like small markets more
Why?
because they feel more personal. It's quieter.
That makes sense.
What about you?
I like big markets.
Really?
Yeah, because there are more choices.
That's true. You can find everything.
One time, I went to a very big market.
Oh, yeah? What happened?
I got lost.
Really?
Yes, I couldn't find the exit.
Oh, no.
I walked around for like 20 minutes.
That's funny.
It wasn't funny at the time.
I can imagine. Do you like bargaining?
Not really. I feel a little shy.
Me too sometimes.
What about you? Do you bargain?
Sometimes, yes.
Really? What do you say?
I say, "Can you give me a better price?"
That's a good sentence.
Yeah, and sometimes they say yes.
Wow, nice. I remember one time I tried to bargain.
And?
The seller said no.
Oh no.
So I just said okay and paid.
That's okay. At least you tried. Do you prefer going to the market in the morning or evening?
Definitely morning.
Why?
Because the food is fresh
That's true.
and it's not too crowded.
Yes, I agree. Morning is better. I love the smell of fresh food in the morning.
Oh, yeah. Fresh bread, fruits.
It smells so good.
It really does. Do you ever go to the market with friends?
Sometimes it's more fun with someone.
Yeah, you can talk and laugh.
Exactly. And you can help each other choose good food.
That's nice.
One time I went with my friend Sarah.
What happened?
We talked so much, we forgot to buy half the things.
That's funny.
We had to go back again.
Oh, wow. Do you bring your own bags?
Yes, I do.
That's good for the environment.
Yes, I try to use less plastic.
Same here.
Sometimes I forget my bag, though.
Me too.
Then I have to carry everything in my hands.
That's the worst.
Yes, it is.
So, Emma, what's your favorite thing to buy at the market?
I think fruits.
Fruit?
Yes, especially mangoes and bananas.
Oh, I love mangoes.
Me too. They are so sweet.
My favorite is bread.
Bread?
Yeah, fresh bread is amazing.
That's true. Warm bread, so good. Do you cook after going to the market?
Sometimes.
What do you cook?
Simple things like eggs, vegetables, maybe soup.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I like to cook too. It feels good to use fresh ingredients.
Yeah, it feels healthy.
Going to the market is not just shopping.
That's true.
It's also an experience.
Yeah, you see people, you hear sounds.
And you feel the energy.
Exactly.
Sometimes I just walk around, even if I don't need anything.
Really?
Yes, it relaxes me.
That's interesting. I think going to the market is a good way to practice English, too.
Oh, yes, definitely.
You can use simple sentences.
Like, how much is this?
Or, I would like this.
Or, thank you.
Very easy and useful.
Don't be afraid to speak.
Yes, even small words are okay.
Practice makes you better.
Always.
So, going to the market is simple, but also very meaningful.
Yeah, it's part of daily life.
And it can be fun.
Definitely.
All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed this conversation.
And we hope you learned some useful English today.
Try to use these sentences next time you go to the market.
Yes, practice in real life. It really helps.
Thank you so much for watching Easy Talk English channel.
See you next time.
Bye.